Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever the time is for you. It's Atul from Techobia. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery of your old Mac 2017 Air. So it is not an easy task because when I was looking to change the battery, I found a lot of the options, especially about the screwdriver, which I will cover up later. So right now, as you see, like I got this generic battery in this type of the back. As you see, our sticker is on the place, like they place some few icons, whereas these are not the all which we are expecting. So for sure this is a generic battery, not the original one. And you see, like there is a place of the screwdriver, but the screwdriver is missing. But let's see how to do it. And this local sign from the local vendor for the 6 months warranty for the same. So this is a polythene like which we have to remove to make sure like it will not get burnt or like stick inside. So as right now I'm just using a 0.8 bit over here, and you can see the kit on my side. So this type of the kit which I already had, but I was not aware like which particular bit to use. So there are two particular bits, torque 0.8 and the torque 1.2. Once every screw is done, it is very simple. Like you just only need to pick it up, which you can do with a very little effort. As you can see, original battery is over there, so we just only need to remove few screws which is holding up the battery into this Mac here. Make sure whatever the screw you are removing, you make sure you need to remember the location, because few screws are small and few are long, and if you will place the wrong screw into the wrong place, then it will cause a problem. This is a battery connector which you must have to remove. Remove it very gently, and the battery is right now okay to remove. And in the similar way, you see like how much dirt is collected over there over the trackpad area. The same way, you only have to place the new battery over there. Let's remove this so it will not cause a problem later. And now we just only need to place it in its exact area. If the Mac is open, it is always best time to clean it up so you can remove the minor dust, whatever is laying out on your motherboard and all. Now it's time to put it back. Before that, I want to show you what is the difference between the original battery and this generic. Mostly you can notice the serial number style. This serial number style you can see, and on the back you can see so many logos on the original battery, whereas on this generic one, if we see, we only have 2 to 3 logos. Most of the vendors are selling these batteries by saying these are from the Apple, but we directly get it from the manufacturer. There is nothing like this, so don't fall in this trap. This is a generic battery. Now again we have to put the connector back, and just a disclaimer which I want to discuss because I am putting this video after such a long time, so this is just a voiceover. This battery is no of good use. Like in case if you are using it on a regular basis, you will get a battery backup. But in the case if the battery is down or even it is not down, when you are going to just open your Mac, most of the time you have to just plug in the charger just for a second to boot it up. Otherwise it will not getting booted up. So this is a big bug. And first I thought like possibly this is the default this is a fault in the battery, so I also changed the battery once, but even with the second unit I got the same type of the problem. So it's always better to use the genuine battery, but the genuine battery is way higher. But after even this thing, like my battery cycles were like around 832. Still I'm using original battery, so this battery was of no use. But in this video I showed how to change, so in case if you're looking to change it by yourself. Again we have to put it very gently like this. So for the moment, for this recording, I am also using a Mac inbuilt mic, but this Mac is a Mac M1 Mac Pro, which I purchased after this Mac. And this is my first time I'm using the inbuilt mic of the Mac to record this particular thing, so I'm not sure about the quality so far. Now it's time to put the cover back. Place it on the back, and as in the same manner, whatever the screws you removed, like I placed those into their exact position, so it will not be a mess for me like which screw from where. Whereas it has 2 to 3 big screws, whereas rest all the screws are small in size. I hope you like this video. And even in this Mac previously what I did, it is the 128 GB version, so I placed a generic, not a generic, like a entire NVMe Crucial, which you already noticed, 1 TB of the drive inside it. And this drive can't be placed directly, we need a sort of a converter which will allow the Mac to accept the external NVMe drives. So in case if you need any information on this as well, you can leave a comment. I will create a video, or even if you have any particular doubt, I will answer that in the comment. I hope you like this video, and let me clean this. And when I turned it on, fortunately it is out of the charge, so I had to charge it once, but once it's charged it worked. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like. You know what to do, subscribe or not, it's your choice. Up to then, bye bye, take care.